دخلت زمان اتأخرت اللي دخلته شكرا.
Well, the defense minister has instructed to dismantle illegal postings or settlements, and he has said that he will continue doing so. I think Israel is trying to show that it is serious in its intentions to contribute to calming the area and to continue its ongoing understandings and discussions with the Palestinian side. Our idea here is obviously to reduce as much as possible the friction, the escalation, and to get back as quickly as possible to the negotiating table.